Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh yesterday said that the inquiry report on the 2021 rice scam is ready and all allegations on the alleged ICDS scam rice are baseless. Speaking to media persons, Lyngdoh said there is no iota of truth in any of the allegations. That is the view that has been put up before the AG of the state, and he was clear and lucid in his observation. Therefore, the case cannot be regarded as a scam.
And having observed the view that the actual incident and the case was delayed because of lack of coordination with the Assam police, where the scam was supposed to have taken place. I had observed accordingly that in future there should be a definite timeline for inquiries so that parties who are alleged to have committed such scams are not, and the department are not dragged into needless controversy.
The Social Welfare Department will